Welcome back. Today we're diving into something truly extraordinary and trailblazing. The all-new 2025 John Deere W310H Motorhome. Known globally for their excellence in agricultural and industrial machinery, John Deere has now ventured into the world of luxury expedition motorhomes, combining their unmatched engineering durability with state-of-the-art comfort and innovative off-grid capabilities. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a rolling fortress of freedom, crafted for those who demand independence, capability, and long-term overlanding adventure. Built on a heavy-duty John Deere W310H chassis, the 2025 W310H Motorhome embodies power and resilience. With its industrial-grade suspension, all-terrain 6.6 drive system, and military-inspired build, it's not just capable of traversing highways, but mountain paths, deserts, and snow-packed trails as well. The exterior is reinforced with composite armor-grade panels, a custom-built safari-style rooftop deck, floodlights, and a powered winch system, making it an ideal rig for expeditions, research teams, and extreme adventurers alike. Under the hood, the John Deere W300H is equipped with a 6.8L turbocharged diesel engine, generating a beastly 475 horsepower and 1,100 Nm of torque. This engine is not only built for endurance, but optimized for low RPM efficiency, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and hydraulic adaptive damping to provide smooth performance over even the roughest terrain. With off-grid range upwards of 900 miles, thanks to dual diesel tanks, it's ready for any global expedition. Step inside, and you're immediately welcomed into a spacious, modern living area that feels more like a mobile luxury apartment than a motorhome. The interior is meticulously designed using premium sustainable materials, featuring solid oak cabinetry, heated bamboo flooring, and panoramic smart tint windows that offer privacy at the push of a button. The 2025 W310H is fitted with a fully equipped smart kitchen, including an induction cooktop, convection oven, deep fridge freezer, and smart water purification system. The lounge converts into an entertainment hub with a 60 retractable 4K OLED screen, Bose surround audio, and satellite broadband connectivity for remote work and streaming. Sleeping arrangements include a king-size memory foam bed in the master suite, an overcab bunk for guests or storage, and a modular convertible sofa bed in the main cabin. The luxury wet bath features a rainfall shower, marble-lined walls, heated towel racks, and a composting toilet system for true eco-efficiency. Off-grid capabilities are top tier. The roof mount, 2 kW solar array, 10K lithium battery bank, and onboard wind turbine ensure full energy independence. It also includes a 400L freshwater tank, 250L gray water storage, and an emergency satellite distress beacon built into the communication suite. John Deere has also packed the W310H with top-tier safety features, including 360-degree LiDAR camera systems, thermal night vision, adaptive terrain mapping, auto-leveling hydraulic jacks, and emergency self-recovery protocols that can be activated via smartphone. With a starting price of approximately $585,000, 0 cents, the 2025 John Deere W310H Motorhome is not for the casual camper, but for those who seek a life beyond boundaries, off the beaten path, and with no compromise on technology, comfort, or durability. If you're looking for a next-generation, self-sustaining mobile base camp that can handle Arctic expeditions, desert crossings, or months of full-time living, the John Deere W300H 2025 is your ultimate ride. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment telling us where you'd take this beast first. Subscribe to our channel for more overlanding vehicles, next-gen motorhomes, and global adventure rigs. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.